Hi. So I'm in the middle of doing my motorcycle license. I just finished the theory part, so if all goes well, I'm gonna be doing the actual riding lessons. In the meantime, I bought the scooter. It's a cheap Chinese scooter. It's a 50cc. So as I said, if all goes well, in about a month, I should have my motorcycle license, which means I will be able to buy an actual motorcycle. But in the meantime, I have this. So the reason I'm making this video is to show you that you can have some fun with a scooter like this, on-road and off-road. So that's why the scenery right here. So yeah, let's go. So I hope you can hear me, because I'm using the DJI Mic 2 as an exhaust mic, which I know it's a scooter or whatever. I'm just kind of trying things out. And then I'm using the built-in mic in the Action 5 as what I'm using right now. They're not going really fast, so there shouldn't be a lot of wind noise. So we'll see how that works. But so I'm going this way because I wanted to start from that end of that road. There are these trails in the woods here that I usually like to ride on. Yeah, so we're just gonna go that way that we came here and then even further. All right. Slide. So basically that was that. I'm gonna slow down so you can actually hear me, hopefully. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. And I don't really have a good closer for those videos.